So what's been happening? As you can tell, Reading down with a loader. The top and bottom of it is that I've had to relocate tractors temporarily because we've had to fill building with carbs. Today's job is to clean building out and move everything. Then we can bring tractors back home. So yeah, we're so what follows now is a little bit of a montage of what I've been up to just while I sort out cleaning this building out. Right, we're off again today. We're just going to get some hydraulic work done on it by PD Hydraulics in Clitheroe. So to be on me, we'll call home first just to annoy the neighbours. Alright, can we unbolt this for me to get out?
Nope.
Come on, big pig.
Easy, easy.
This is going to be end badly, is this?
Hands on floor.
Yeah, fucking sounds like it. Oh,
It's on fire, you have to get out quick.
I thought you was a getaway driver.
that'll do.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
So, job done. We're on his way back home at Wardhall and we'll come back with tractor for trailer. Job's a good one. Then we'll go and buy a barrow of brush and shovel and a fork. Just finish off outside edges onto the muck bidding that's down here. It's the plan.
Later.
So we're back and we've got a tractor that's capable of pulling this trailer full. Of course, much as I love 1490, it ain't capable of it. So that's the plan. We're about done cleaning it out. I just need to go and get a shovel and a barrow, but we're not too bad. So there you go. Oh, we love shooty outy hooks. They're the world's best invention. Now it's just whether the driver's got a good enough eye to line it up first time. Oh yes. That don't like that, does it? That's it. And up she comes. Always make sure you hear the click, boys and girls.
2,000 years later.
We're off for a new machine we've just bought. I've got a sticky gas pedal. So we're on his way back and we have a tanker. Well, once we get back to the barn and parked up, we'll have a look at it, eh? Okay, it's a day or two later because I got brown alert. So we're back in and here we go. It is, if you can see faded sticker there, a JWT Western. Now I learned how to use a slurry tanker with one very similar to this. I think mine were 15 and I think this is 1,000. Didn't come with a PTO, which is fine. There is a little bit of work to do it to get it serviceable. But as far as I'm aware, everything works like it should. And it sounds empty. And that looks like it's a bit of an oil slick, doesn't it? So what we'll do in time is we'll undo all these bolts, we'll open this back door and we'll clean it out. But for a tank that's a minimum of 20 years old, it's not done so bad. Spread plates there. And pump turns nicely. Don't know how much oil it has in it. Dripper. Now then, as I said, I don't know how much oil it has in it. Where is the dipper sticker? That's it there, I think. But I can't open it because I haven't got a screwdriver with me. Obviously there's an hydraulic line for the gate at the back. Now the axle does look like it's got brakes on. It'll be an original JWT axle. Come with a pipe, but no fitting. So what we'll do is we'll select the worst end, which will be the other end. Oh yeah. We'll shave a bit off, snip, and we'll get a fitting. It obviously needs a new pressure clock, and it was supplied by someone in Whitchurch. So there you go. Now these things were built in Ramsbottom somewhere, I believe. So we'll keep updated as we get things done. Yeah, it requires, there's a little hole in the bottom of the tank for some reason, no idea why, and then a power shaft, and then we're going to go and try it. But my welding man's, well, basically he told me to take a running jump, so I'll ring him tomorrow and ask him if he meant it. And that'll be that. We'll have an operational tanker of something similar age to the tractor. Well, to the big tractor anyway. So there we go. And as for big tractor, we've been busy with this as well. We've been playing with electrics. And if we click, we've got lights. All lights operational. I'm not sure if I've put that on the wrong way around, but we'll find out in a minute. Be a bit like me, that, won't it, on backwards. And we've been playing with indicators. This side. And that side. No, I haven't put it on the wrong way around, I'm right. So yeah, it's not been easy. We've had to have a new switch here. We've had to have quite a lot of new wiring. Well, most at back half at tracks, if you can see, that's all new wires. And the same at this side. Or if you can just see or not. New spotlight. It does work, but we'll have to go up into the roof because switch is up there. So, and if you look here, you can see it's joined up. And I have tested it by way of plugging this into them, one of them. So I know it works. So yeah, that's about where we're up to at this stage.